Welcome back everyone. In this video I want to show you another trending TikTok effect called TikTok message, which looks like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect is great for pranking your other half in making them believe someone from TikTok has messaged you asking if your other half is still around. As you're recording with your partner or friend, a TikTok notification will appear at the top with a name and a message. This should get the attention of your other half and you can then record their reaction on how they react. Let me show you how to use this effect. On your phone, open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. Search for TikTok message. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now on this effect, you can see how others have used this effect by browsing through these videos. If you still don't see this effect, don't worry, TikTok is not broken. TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on the record button to use this effect. In this screen, you'll see your selfie camera switched on, and at the top you'll see the TikTok message template. Tap on the bold text to type in your sender name. Once you've typed it in, tap on the tick at the top right. Now tap on the text below where it says tap here to edit message. Type in your message and then tap on the tick at the top right. Now once you're ready, hold the record button and that message should disappear from screen. Ask your other half to have a look at your screen, and at this point the message will appear on the screen at the top. It will stay on the screen until you stop recording. So once you feel like your other half has read it, quickly move it away from them so he or she gets more suspicious. Following the above steps will surely get you some good reaction for TikTok. And there you go, that is how to use the TikTok message effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.